So it's 7:23 this morning. I'm just gonna do a bit of work. It's 100%. So I'm just gonna start the day and yep, just gonna start using it. Gonna go to the airport in the afternoon. Yeah, see how it goes. So I actually had these very nice dishes at this restaurant called Paradise Dynasty. Yeah, as you can see, vegetables, noodles, and actually I was also preparing for a Zoom call before I went into the boarding room, which happened for about 30 minutes, and yeah. So at 11:46, I was checking out my phone. I think the battery was running at about 70% or so. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a bit of the battery use for the day. So as you can see, it's 11:47. My battery is sitting at 70%. Okay, so if you haven't noticed already, this airport has a variety of stores, shops, quite a bit of places you can go around at. And yeah, I think if you're ever in Indonesia and you end up in Terminal 3, you'll be seeing this. It's quite a good place to hang around at before you take off. Anyway, I'm sure you've noticed that I have been taking a lot of videos and photos using the iPhone, and during this battery test, I think it's only fair that I use it as much as I can as my main phone, at least for the day. And yeah, it never let me down. The photos and videos that it produces is just great. It's still worth it in 2023. I even watched Netflix during my flight. I think it was a 2-hour flight, and yeah, the phone just didn't die. At least it had not died, because it hadn't really reached the end of the day. And yeah, before I forget, actually, I have replaced the battery on this phone. The previous one was already dead, and it was time to replace. And here I just want to show you the battery usage. So I used it mostly for Netflix and WhatsApp, and as you can see, the phone is still alive. almost the end of the day. So there's that. Alright, so it's already 8 p.m. And I was left with 9%. As you can see, I have been using it, and the screen on time has been fantastic. I mean, it's 5.5 hours. It's more than I could ask for. And before I end the video, I actually want to say thank you for watching my video. A sub and a like would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.